We're here in Grant in the southern part of Brevard County. The Save Our Indian River Lagoon program has teamed up with local clam farmers to plant millions of clams out in the lagoon to not only reduce nutrients, but also filter the water and promote an iconic Brevard seafood. The Save Our Lagoon program recognized clams as a great nutrient reduction tool.
So this program is providing $60,000 for clam farmers to plant 5 million clams in the lagoon.
Those 5 million clams can reduce up to 1,000 pounds of nitrogen per year.
So us as farmers, the way the field side of this business works is we take a clam the size of your pinky nail, roughly 4 millimeters, and we plant it either in the bottom or the substrate or in a nursery bag, and then it takes about 12 to 14 months in order to get to market size. Today we're going out to check one of our lease areas out of the many condensed clam areas that we have here in Brevard County. We're going to be checking our crop. We're going to be pulling some clams, as well as checking for grass and fouling organisms and the overall health of the crop.
The culture gear that's used by these farmers, so the nets and the bags they have laid around the bottom, provide protection for tons of fish and invertebrates. Experienced clam farmers in Brevard can reach out to Brevard County Natural Resources to apply for the program. They've got to have an existing lease or apply for one. Once they get a usually 2 to 5 acre lease, we require that they plant a minimum of 500,000 clams, and they're eligible for $6,000 a year to do this. Habitat assessments are done before these leases are designated, so the clams aren't being planted on top of seagrass or disrupting the natural bottom environment.
This grant helps us put about 500,000 clams in the water per farmer, which is a huge help every year to us. It's a big weight off my back, which encourages me to plant more, filter more water, and grow more clams.
These farmers purchase these clam seeds for 1 cent a piece and then can sell them for 10, 20, 30 cents a piece. It's a great return on investment for the farmers and also the lagoon.
While this program focuses on commercial clam farmers, we also have another program that residents can get involved with. Residents who live along the water can visit restoreourshores.org and click on the volunteer tab to find out if their site is suitable for either clam or oyster restoration. Even those who don't live along the shoreline can get involved, as the Restore Our Shores program needs volunteers to help with maintenance and monitoring of some of these residential clam and oyster sites. Restoring filter feeders like this is just one of the many projects we're doing to help save the Indian River Lagoon. We have over 380 different projects that will be removing over 1.3 million pounds of nitrogen pollution every year.
I am born and raised in Indian, Florida. It's everything to me. It's what keeps me farming, is the fact that, you know, as a kid, I loved being in the lagoon. I loved fishing, I loved boating, and so this was a perfect cross for me of being able to work as well as help out our local ecosystem. And every clam counts. You know, every substrate, every bed we put down really helps the lagoon, and it really is. I'm passionate about it, and I love it.